Every day, across 7 plants, Sunder Biscuits makes what millions of people reach for without a second thought. But behind that simplicity, the business had outgrown the systems running it.
We had grown a lot, but our system hadn't grown with us. We are running a serious manufacturing business on spreadsheets, basic ERPs that could see 2 things only: accounts and sales. So we made a decision. We didn't patch on the old system. We rebuilt the way the whole company runs.
That rebuild started at the core, partnering with AeonX Digital, a BSE-listed SAP Gold partner. Sunder Biscuits put the whole business onto a single SAP backbone. In 6 months, finance, production, materials, sales, maintenance and quality were live and finally talking to each other.
The silos just disappeared. We went from a system that did only accounts and finance to one source of truth for the entire company. With real-time reportings and even automated banking, once the foundation was solid, everything else could finally connect to it.
On the shop floor, AeonX's ManuFex platform wired the factory into SAP in real time. Vision cameras, industrial controllers, and edge devices counting and validating every box as it comes off the line. Across 7 plants and 30 assembly lines, more than 1 lakh batches are now traced automatically.
Earlier, counting boxes and tracking batches was all manual. It depends on whoever happened to be there that day. Now every batch is traced and confirmed straight to the SAP. The factory finally talks to the rest of the business by itself.
The same connected system reached outward to the dealers. AeonX's OrderX brought ordering onto a single platform, integrated live with SAP.
Before OrderX, orders came over the call and WhatsApp. Everyone needed follow-ups, and onboarding the dealers took 4 or 5 days. Now the dealers order directly, orders validated in 12 hours, and onboarding take 12 hours too. But getting the orders is only half of the job. You still have to move the goods.
So AeonX closed the loop with Logystix, transport planning, automated gate passes, and digital proof of delivery, all driven from SAP.
Logystix used to be our biggest problem. Transporter fixed on phone calls, dispatch on Excel, proof of delivery on paper. With Logystix software, transport requests come straight from SAP, vehicle clear automatically with gate passes, delivery is confirmed by OTP, then and freight cost per kilometer is down by almost 20%.
Underneath it all, AeonX's SupplierX brought 1,500 suppliers onto the same digital backbone. 5 platforms, 1 SAP core, built and live in months, not years.
Traditional biscuit company become a real enterprises. We can finally see everything as it happens. That's what the right technology partner does. AeonX gave us the foundation to run smarter and keep growing.
Sunder Biscuits, AeonX Digital, built to scale.